Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your friend telling him about the benefit of reading newspapers. Own address: Dear Nilu, I have received your letter after a long time. You want to know my views about the benefits of newspapers. Today the newspaper plays an important role. It records daily events of the world. From the newspaper we get an idea of the day-to-day world. It brings to us the news of all sorts. The average man is unable to think for himself, especially on complicated issues. Newspapers throw light on such issues and make it easy to understand. The newspaper tells us of the progress that is going on in the field of literature and science. It acquaints us with the views of great thinkers and philosophers. It speaks of the recent discoveries and inventions. It places new things before the readers, stimulates thought, and thus contributes to the development of knowledge. No more today, more when we meet. Yours ever, own name, friend's address. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.